Have you ever wanted to instantly give your photos a fresh new look? Today, I'm going to show you how to remove and change the background of a picture using Canva, quickly, easily, and completely free. Whether it's for personal photos or professional designs, this trick will take your visuals to the next level. First, open Canva and pick the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, click on the image you want to edit. Right-click it and select the option that says Detach Image from Background. This separates the main subject from the existing background, giving you full control for a clean edit. Now that the image is detached, you'll see the old background sitting separately. Simply click the delete icon to remove it. Boom! You're left with a blank canvas ready for a fresh backdrop. Next, head over to the Uploads tab on Canva's toolbar. Here, you can upload any image you want as your new background. Drag and drop your chosen image onto the canvas. Once it's on your project, right-click it and select Set Image as Background. Just like that, your new background is perfectly positioned behind your main image, giving your design a completely new vibe. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've removed an old background and added a new one, making your images look professional and eye-catching. Don't be afraid to experiment with different backgrounds. Each one can totally transform the feel of your design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.